Hi, welcome to week 2 of COM 111. The purpose of this video is to help you navigate Blackboard during the second week of classes and to go over the different assignments that are due this week. When you log on to Blackboard, the first thing that you need to do is to click on the weekly assignments link. The different weekly folders are listed within that link. Click on week 2. The first thing that will show up is the outline for the second week of class. Each week I will provide you with an outline that details everything that needs to be done during that week of the class. When you click on the week 2 outline, it will take you to a Google Doc that looks like this. During the second week of class, we are starting our discussion board, so you do need to engage in the discussion board this week. This week we will be doing a whole class discussion. For the rest of the semester, I will be breaking us into smaller groups, and you will be engaging in the discussion with 5 or 6 other students rather than the whole class. But this week you will be working with the whole class for your discussion board. The other thing that you'll be doing this week is reading Chapter 1 and completing the reflection assignment associated with Chapter 1. For the discussion board, you can find the handout for the discussion board here. If you haven't had a chance to read through the handout, please make sure you do so. If you scroll down in the document, you can find the different expectations for each grade that you can earn for the discussion board. I'm going to quickly go over what's expected for an A, but you can also read through the rest of the grades that that you can potentially earn on the discussion boards. So for full credit on this assignment, you do need to participate 3 different days throughout the week and have a minimum of 4 to 5 posts. Each of those posts should be at least 300 words. So there are many different ways that you can engage in the discussion board. When you click on the post for the discussion board, it will take you to this week's discussion. You'll notice that I have provided you with 5 different discussion ideas that you can respond to, that you can give your own ideas about. You can also post your own thread. So you would click create thread and then add in your own ideas and discussion points that are different from what is happening here. So for example, if you see a video or you read an article that really makes you think about Chapter 1, you could create your own thread, and I encourage you to do that to get the discussion going. So let's just take a quick look at one of these. So for this particular thread, this is a TED Talk that you can watch. So you would click this link to go to the video. And then I've provided you with some ideas of what you could talk about within this video. I'd like you to think about this more as a class discussion rather than an assignment where you're answering each question or component. So you can respond to these questions if you would like, or if it makes you think of something else that's related to Chapter 1, please feel free to talk about that instead. Remember that you do need to have at least 300 words, so I encourage you to make specific references to our text and other outside resources. So again, it talks about different ways that you can meet that 3-day, 4 to 5 posts. Please make sure you read through each of these so that you know exactly what my expectations are. And if you have questions regarding the discussion, please feel free to email me. The other assignment that is due this week is to read Chapter 1 and then complete the reflection assignment. So you can find our textbook using the link, the OER textbook. The reflection assignment is right here. So I am asking you to complete this as a Google Doc. So the first thing you'll do is to click on the assignment. The Google Doc will come up like this. For this week, there are 3 different questions that I'm asking you to respond to. You need to copy these 3 questions and then open your own Google Doc and create a Google Doc for the Chapter 1 reflection where you can then insert your own answers. You will then share your document. Please make sure that This get link area says that anyone can, with the link, can view the assignment. Copy the link. You'll click on the chapter 1 reflection and you'll paste the link for the right submission, and then you'll paste the link right here and then click submit. That will allow me to view the assignment, and then I will assign a grade based on your responses. So again, you have your discussion board this week. Read chapter 1 and respond to chapter 1 using the reflection questions that are available to you in this week's folder. If you have any questions or concerns about either of these assignments, please feel free to email me. That's the best way to reach me. I hope you have a great week.